Yesteryear Bollywood heartthrob Mithun Chakravarti joined the BJP at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally earlier today. The actor praised Modi's leadership and said that he wanted to work for the people. Let's take a listen at this report.
I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer.
From a yesteryear superstar with links to both left and the Trinamool Congress to a saffron pole star. Veteran actor Mithun Chakravarti joined the BJP on Sunday at Prime Minister Modi's mega rally at iconic Brigade Ground.
আমি জল ঢোড়াও নই বেলে বোড়াও নই আমি একটা কোবরা গোখরো আমি এক ছবলে ছবি
The actor, who had quit years ago as Trinamool Congress MP, flaunted his Bengal credentials and lavished praise on Prime Minister Modi.
সেদিন একটা স্বপ্ন দেখেছিলাম कि আমি জীবনে কিছু করব কিন্তু এই স্বপ্নটা দেখিনি कि আজ আমি এই মঞ্চে যেখানে ভারতবর্ষের সবথেকে বড় বড় লিডার্সরা বসে আছেন ये सपना नहीं तो क्या है এটা স্বপ্ন নয় তো কি
এই ঐতিহাসিক মুহূর্তের সাক্ষী হতে
Amid huge cheer from supporters, Mithun belted out a popular dialogue from his movie, calling himself a cobra with deadly sting.
আমি জল ঢোড়াও নই বেলে বোড়াও নই আমি একটা কোবরা গোখরো আমি এক ছবলে ছবি
জোরে হাততালি দেবেন
Prime Minister Modi, during his speech, thanked Mithun for joining forces with Bharatiya Janata Party.
आज तो हमारे बीच बांग्लार छेले मिठुन चक्रवर्ती जी भी है। उनकी जीवन गाथा संघर्ष और सफलता के अद्भुत उदाहरणों से भरी हुई है।
But the Trinamool Congress mocked the actor turned BJP Neta, calling him a turncoat.
पहले मैं बचपन में सुभाष चक्रवर्ती के साथ देखा, फिर तृणमूल में देखा, आज बीजेपी में देखा और हो सकता है कल फिर दूसरा पार्टी के साथ भी देखूंगा क्योंकि मिठुन दा जितने चरित्र में एक्टिंग पार्टी भी करते हैं.
At one point in time, he was known for his association to the Naxal movement. During the heydays of the left regime, he was very close to a lot of left leaders. When Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee came to power, he was known for his proximity to Mamata Banerjee. Since 2015, he has been distancing himself from the Trinamool after the Sharda scam, and now he is in the BJP's fold. His detractors say just as he has had a huge range in his acting career, he is similarly showing similar kind of range in his political career too. With camera person Tapan Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
All right, India Today spoke exclusively with Mithun Chakravarti himself. Indrajit Kundu brings us this report. Let's take a listen.
We are joined by Bengali megastar Mithun Chakravarti. Of course, it's a big day for him. He has taken the plunge once again into politics and joined the BJP. Sir, first of all, it's a big day. It's a big decision. But how did this come about?
First of all, that big day for politics, then, sorry, I have not joined it for politics because I do not understand Rajniti. I believe in Manushya Niti. Manav Niti mein believe karta hu main. And my thinking always goes towards that. I know people are talking pehle extremist ke saath tha, fir Subhash Da ke saath. But if you look at the scenario, I've been with Jyoti Basu, I have been with Subhash Da because they are for the people. They always done, Subhash Da is always, no matter which party it belongs. It is, no, even he did for the people. And of course, Trinamool, Mamata Di has given me Rajya Sabha ticket, but I left before him and लोगों ने बोला क्यों छोड़ रहा है और एक साल if you remain you will get pension for whole life. I said no, I have not joined for this. I'm sorry, I left it. So now again you said BJP means not for politics, not for any I do not have political ambitions, but for the sake of the people of Bengal, if I have to take a plunge in a bigger way, I'll do it.
You really think Modi ji can make a difference to Bengal?
He's making a difference to the not only India, but if you are really open up, then he has done a lot of difference in the world even, as one of the biggest leader. It is not that I have to say because I have made Prime Minister. No. I read it, I know it. Because you have to do politics, you have to say, no, it's not that true. Well, you can do it, good, bad. But he has been a big leader, even on the world stage.
What is going to be your role in the BJP then? Will you fight this election? That's the big question.
Right now, that is from the above, they will tell me, I'll follow that.
You're open to that idea?
Anything they say, and right now I'm going to campaign for them, as many as them they want me to do.
Many are saying that possibly you can be the prospective chief ministerial candidate. Is there something in your mind?
In my mind, how dare I do? But it is a protocol of the top leaders, and I will not break that protocol. Because we have leaders like Dilip Da, Kailash ji and others, all big leaders. They have made BJP what they are today. मैं तो उड़ता हुआ एक कौवा हूँ, बैठ गया हूँ.
So I really want to understand as far as the ideological point of view, because as you mentioned yourself, at one point in time you did believe in Naxalite movement, then you were very close to CPM leadership, you came close proximity with Mamata Banerjee, and now of course the RSS and the BJP. Where is your ideological positioning, your personal?
Now, tell me one thing. Do we not have the same language? Every party talks about the poor people, whether it is the extremist, communist, whether Trinamool or BJP or anybody. But wherever is the genuine stand, they will win. But ideology is the same, to do something for the poor people. And I follow the same rule. That's my ideology.
So one last question. You said you are a proud Bengali today. Mamata Banerjee is continuously saying outsider versus insider, Bahari versus jo andar ke log hai. What do you consider, who do you consider is insider or outsider? Because you said you are a proud Bengali today.
I don't know then how to say myself, who am I? I'm born in a nursing home in Kolkata, in 20 Srimati Sen Garden Lane, my house.
He says all those BJP leaders are outsiders, who are coming.
I do not know. Let them, I see, these are the talk between the two big leaders, and I'm not a leader. So I don't want to get into this and talk this bad. I don't believe in this. किसी के बारे में बुरी बात करता नहीं.
Message to Mamata Banerjee?
Good luck to everyone.